professional accountancy body based out of London, UK. We started in the year 1904, so we are a 115 years young body working across the globe, approximately around 183 countries where we have got our operations. We have around 2,19,000 people who have completed the qualification, and they're working as members with best of the organizations across these countries. And we have currently a strength of around 5,27,000 students who are pursuing the qualification. As an organization, yes, we believe in providing the qualification to people who have the ability and desire to become a professional accountant, and they are able to apply what they have learned during their studies. So as an organization, we believe in application-based learning, and we believe that yes, employability can come only when you have been able to apply what you have learned in the classrooms. So as an organization, we do that only. In India, we started our operations around 4 years back, and currently we have a strength of around 31,500 students who are pursuing the qualification. And what we feel is that yes, India is a good market, highly ambitious, and people have the right temperament to pursue a professional accountancy course. So we look forward to growing along with the students and the people of India. So at ACCA, we have a very strong accreditation process wherein we look at the rigor of the qualification that you already provide. We look at the kind of courses which are there, and we try to map them with what syllabi we have. And once the mapping is done, we accredit the syllabus, we look at the question papers, the rigor of the examinations that you conduct, your teaching, learning methodology, pedagogy. So all those things are tested, and based on that, we actually grant these exemptions. And what we felt is that yes, ISBF has got all the strengths, and you're a good partner to UAL, which has been a partner to us for a very long time now. So University of London and ACCA share a very strong relationship for a long time. So you being a center of UAL actually makes you more stronger in terms of looking forward to teaching this qualification in Delhi. Yeah.
So yeah, firstly, we're very excited about a new partnership with ACCA. It's really an endorsement by ACCA on the quality of education that we provide at ISBF with UAL and LSE. Getting 8 out of 13 exemptions is quite an achievement for students. We are very excited about it, and I think it's a great offering because our students, alongside studying for the BSc Accounting and Finance, would be getting prepared for a world-renowned qualification such as ACCA, which has a great professional and career path. In India, I've learned that they have tremendous career opportunities with companies like Grant Thornton and the other 4 or 5 big accountancy firms. So alongside gaining a reputed bachelor's program, they're also setting themselves on a path for a professional qualification. They're about 60-70% through professional qualification by the time they become graduates, and that really would set them apart for their careers when they go out for the job market. The fact that they've got 8 ACCA examinations, I think they'll get tremendous preference compared to other graduates when they're looking for careers in investment banking, accounting, management, auditing, but generally the whole gambit of financial services. So we're very excited to give prospective students a professional career opportunity besides the program that they study here.
So if you look at any professional accountancy course globally, is something which is quite similar to each other when it comes to the course offerings. The only difference is that as we know that every country has got a local body for accountancy. So India has Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which is started through the Act of Parliament. In the similar way, when you go to Pakistan, you have Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan. You go to Nepal, you have Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nepal. Canada has CPA in Canada. Australia has CA Australia, New Zealand. Right? US has CPA in America. So in the similar way, we are based out of UK, London. But then what we are trying to do is that we are just trying to say to people that yes, if you would have heard this term that a doctor is a doctor anywhere in the world, engineer is an engineer anywhere in the world, but accountant is always called a local accountant. We are in the journey of creating global accountants, and we believe that yes, we can do that because we have got the right strengths and the right mix of the subjects which are there to prepare them to qualify to become a global accountant. So I'll give you a very strong term today that a lot of people will say that India has unemployment. I'll say that India does not have any unemployment at all. India has unemployability. People are not able enough to pick up the right set of jobs, right? So there are jobs, there are ample of jobs which are available in India, especially in the places like Gurgaon, Noida, which are very much close to us from Delhi. If you look at places like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Trivandrum, Kochi, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Lucknow, these are the places where a lot of jobs are coming up. Calcutta. Opportunities are there, but people are not at all prepared to pick up those jobs. When they actually enter the job market, they find that there is a gap between what they have studied in the college or the school syllabi and what the employer is asking for. So most of the people are not able to cope up with the job if they are hired also. In case they are not hired, obviously they are not hired because they are not capable enough to pick up those jobs. What we ensure is that we bring that ability amongst the individuals. India has strong employability opportunities today. If you look at the current situation in India, with the advent of IFRS coming in as Ind AS, Indian Accounting Standards, what we feel is that there's a huge opportunity for people who understand IFRS, which we are teaching since 1996. If you look at the tagline of ACCA, we say that we say think ahead, which means that we tell people that you have to think about the future. Whatever you study today is not important for you today. It is important for you when you pass out 3 years later. Yeah, so what we are trying to do is that we are trying to prepare them so that they are able to pick up the right set of jobs when they pass out. And when they get into these jobs, they are capable enough to handle the kind of work pressure and the work requirements which are there with the employers. So best of the employers are hiring ACCAs today. If you look at the 3 out of the big 4 organizations, further to that, we have got very large multinational companies like HCL, ITC, Oracle, Microsoft, Wipro. They are hiring ACCAs like anything. There is a huge requirement, and I would say that there's a requirement for everyone. As you have a wallet, in the wallet, if you have a 2,000 rupee note, you have a 500 rupee note, you have a 200 rupee note. So every note has got its own importance. In India, currently, we are like a 200 rupee note. I'm not saying that we are like a 2,000 rupee note, but yes, we are valuable enough for the people. If you look at the global opportunities, there are a good number of opportunities which are there. We have a site called jobs.accaglobal.com. People can very well go and search there. In fact, if they don't want to search my website, it would be a good idea for them to go and search on naukri.com and type ACCA there and see what kind of job opportunities are there. In fact, if they type IFRS also, they can see the huge number of job opportunities which are there. If you look at the current situation in India, by 1st of April 2020, the banks, financial services and insurance companies are going to implement IFRS. They have to do Ind AS. And if you look at majority of the insurance companies, they are backed by foreign partners and there is a requirement of IFRS filing for them. So they will need a lot of people. So financial services, as sir mentioned, is an area wherein huge opportunities are there for people. Think about a bank. Think about a bank like SBI. How many bank branches do they have? They will need a lot of people to support them. We don't have those many people coming out as professional accountants. So the importance of professional accountants is going to go up only. And it's an evergreen job because accountant job is a pervasive job. It's required everywhere, whether it's a school, college, university, or a corporate, right, or an airline organization, or a fashion organization, or a hotel organization. You need accountants there. So they will always be required. In fact, they are becoming entrepreneurs and serving the societies at large. Yeah. So currently, we have got around 80 partnerships with various countries. In fact, we have a very strong public value agenda wherein we try to support the public organizations as well as the governments in terms of they developing the profession for the long term. So because ultimately it is about the profession and nothing else. So as we are talking about professional accountancy, in the long term, we are looking at professionals who can actually develop this profession for the people at large across the world. So these 80 partnerships ensure that people can go and work in those countries. They have to just write 1 or 2 papers as per the requirements of the local bodies, and they can become the local accountant. So whether it is Middle East or Singapore, Malaysia or Australia, New Zealand, we have got tie-ups there. If you look at the entire Europe, we have got various tie-ups there. If you look at Canada, you look at Africa. So all these markets are getting covered. So majority of the markets we are able to cover, and people can look forward to working there. It's just that the job is not a difficult task to get. What is important is to get the visa for those countries, right? So that is something which a student has to take care of. We can create that opportunity through our portal. Our portal is very strong. The portal supports. In fact, as an organization, we have a strong agenda of supporting our students from the day they join us. They become alumni for life. So that's our agenda, that we support them throughout their life. And that's what we have been doing for those last 115 years, and we look forward to doing the same for the coming 100 years too.
So yeah, certainly, I mean, time matters more, but so does cost. So there's tremendous saving of time because by the time you're finishing your bachelor's degree, you already are through with 8 papers. I believe it would take them another year to finish the balance, maximum another year.
In fact, they can complete it during their graduation itself.
They can also complete it apparently during their graduation. But let's say in going concern normal cases that by the time a student is perhaps 22, by the time on average they'll be 21, by the time they finish a bachelor's, by 22 they're completely qualified ACCA accountants. Yeah, I mean, going by all the information that we have about ACCA, it has tremendous acceptability in the financial services sector. And even there's a fair cost saving to the student because if they were to do the first 8 papers independently, it would cost them approximately
around 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees.
about say lakh or odd rupees. So in both the terms, you're saving about a lakh of rupees, and more importantly, I think you're saving 3 years of your life, which is far more because what you're going to earn out upon graduation and joining, and what I've learned is that an ACCA qualified student would have a far greater starting salary compared to just a fresh graduate. So the financial savings, if you take into account potential earning right after graduation as well as the cost saving of the fee itself and the time, overall adds to a fair amount. You know, we are really again excited about the opportunity. We would love to work together and create a greater demand for the program as well as provide great education. I mean, our agreement with ACCA comes back to the ethos of ISPF. You know, our endeavor is always to bring the best of global education to India. And that's what made us partner with LSE and UL as far as undergraduate degree programs go. That's motivated us to partner with ACCA because we do believe they offer one of the best globally recognized qualification in their domain, and we would like our students certainly to benefit from it.
So we are also very excited about this partnership, and we look forward to creating the future accountants who are global citizens together along with ISPF, and we look forward to working very closely with you to develop that. Thank you.